आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए हम आपके साथ इस पल को साझा करने के लिए तत्पर हैं। तिलक लगाना यह हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति की पहचान है, जो आदर, प्रेम और सम्मान का प्रतीक है। हमारे स्नेही छात्र आज के अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत तिलक लगाकर कर रहे हैं और सभी के आशीर्वाद की कामना करते हैं।
I request the parents to please rise to welcome our distinguished guest of today's program. Please welcome them with a huge round.
नमः प्रकाशते देवी सर्वज्ञे सर्वशक्तिमन् आत्मज्योति रुचिरेण दीपं प्रज्वलयाम्यहम्.
As the lamp is lit, may its radiance illuminate our heart and mind, guiding us towards new achievements and triumph in all our endeavors. Let the sacred light mark the beginning of our annual day celebration. Let us stand together and witness this beautiful tradition.
May I kindly invite our esteemed chief guest and all respected dignitaries to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
As embark on this beautiful journey today, let us invoke the blessings of the divine.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिः देवै सदा वन्दिता. सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Lighting the lamp is profound Indian tradition which symbolizes the showering of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. It dispels the darkness and ignorance.
Good evening to one and all present over here. Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable School Management, Honorable President Ma'am, Honorable Vice President Sir, respected Trustees Sir, respected dignitaries present on the dais, respected parents, teachers and dear students. It is a great honor and privilege to acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students and reward their hard work, perseverance and excellence. Self-belief, commitment, determination, and devotion always results in success, and its appreciation goes a long way as a motivation. So let's start the prize distribution ceremony and honor the excellent performers of the academic year 2023-24. May I now request respected Chief Guest, Honorable President Ma'am, and all dignitaries to do the honors. So, from Standard 7th, the toppers for the academic year 2023-24 are: first rank goes to Shreya Rajendra Jagtap with 97.75%. Clapping should go on continuously. Parents, I request all of you, this percentage scoring is not easy. Second position goes to, heartiest congratulations, Shreya. Second position goes to Avni Praveen Petare with 95.90%. Third rank holder of Standard 7th is Sanchi Ravi Magre with 94.90%. I request all the parents to please motivate these achievers with the clappings. The fourth position goes to Sarthak Rajesh Mahajan with 94.60%. These are the toppers of Standard 7 for the academic year 2023-24. Heartiest congratulations, students. Keep it up. The fifth position goes to Arnav Deepak Pohnerkar with 93.30%. Heartiest congratulations, all the achievers. Now from Standard 8, the toppers for the academic year 2023-24 are: first rank holder is Arnav Rahul Deshmukh with 98.16%. Great percentage. Please, clapping should not stop. This is the tremendous efforts of the students to achieve this percentage. Great efforts they are taking day and night. The second position goes to Rucha Sunil Gandev with 96.98%. Heartiest congratulations, Rucha. The third topper of Standard 8 is Meet Vinod Suryavanshi with 96.40%. Congratulations, Meet. The fourth position is secured by Tanay Prasad Kawade with 96.30%. Congratulations, Tanay. And congratulations to the parents also of all these achievers, because their contribution is great in the child's success. The fifth rank goes to Shreya Siddharth Ghuge with 95.80%. Now, Standard 9th toppers for the academic year 2023-24. The first position goes to Varat Sunil Bidada with 97.70%. Congratulations, Varat. And more than this percentage is expected now in Standard 10 CBSE board examination. All the very best. Second rank holder of standard 9th is Swarat Sagar Rudrawar with 97.20%. Congratulations, Swarat. And all the best for board examination. Third position goes to Abhimanyu Ajay Rathod with 96.50%. Heartiest congratulations, Abhimanyu. Well done and keep it up. All the very best for standard 10th exam as well. Fourth position goes to Kaumudi Kaustubh Nisar with 96.28%. Congratulations, Kaumudi. And all the best for 10th standard exam. The fifth topper of standard 9th is Aditi Uday Kulkarni with 96.26%. Heartiest congratulations, Aditi, and all the very best for standard 10th examination. A foundation course plays a very important role in building strong fundamentals. It focuses on conceptual understanding and develops critical thinking and analytical abilities of the students, providing a strong base for future learning. Considering this, Honorable School Management has taken the initiative to start additional course, that is Little Scholar course and foundation course for the students of standard 1st to 10th, which helps the students to excel in academics as well as different competitive examination. Thank you, Honorable School Management, for this initiative. Now I would like to announce the toppers for the foundation course for the academic year 2023-24. From standard 7, the topper is Sanchi Ravi Magre with 78%. Heartiest congratulations, Sanchi. Sanchi is doing very well in different competitive examinations as well. From standard 8, the foundation topper is Avdut Abhay Dunk, 76.47%. For this course, we conduct quarterly test, mega test in term 1 and term 2, and the average of the students result in the toppers. From standard 9, the topper is Kaumudi Kaustubh Nisar with 73.31%. Congratulations, Kaumudi. Regularity and consistency are cornerstones of excellence. Success comes with discipline, punctuality, and commitment. 100% attendance or regularity shows the tremendous dedication and responsibility. The credit not only goes to the students but also parents. So 100% attendance of standard 8, and the awardees are Arya Atul Mule. Congratulations, Arya. This is really very difficult to be present 100% throughout the year. Not a single day they were absent, so it's really commendable, and appreciation goes to the students as well as parents. Next is Adhiraj Santosh Shevarkar from standard 8. Next, 100% awardees Soham Samir Bodas from Standard 8. Congratulations, Somo. The next 100% awardee is Dhruv Sandeep Gosavi from Standard 8. Heartiest congratulations all the students for remaining present throughout the year. 100% attendance award is of Standard 9th R. Devashri Fanibhushan Gupta. The next is Maheshwari Karbari Sormare from Standard 9th. The next 100% attendance award goes to Apurva Dheeraj Singh Pawar for the academic year 2023-24. Heartiest congratulations to all the achievers. The result of Standard 10 AISSC, that is All India Secondary School Examination for the academic year 2023-24, set the benchmark for the upcoming batches. The batch strength of Standard 10th for the academic year 2023-24 was 160, out of which I am very much proud to say 35 students have scored 90 above percentage. 43 students have scored between 80 to 89.90%, and all the remaining students have achieved the distinction. So heartiest congratulations to all the Standard 10th excellent performers for the academic year 2023-24. And the first topper of Standard 10 in CBSE board examination is none other than Vedika Sanjay Gopade with 98.40%. A huge round of applause for Vedika Gopade. I request parents of Vedika Gopade to please come on the dais to receive the honor. And I request Honorable Chief Guest and all dignitaries to give the cash prize and memento to the first topper of Standard 10. Heartiest congratulations, Vedika. Success is the result of perfection, hard work and consistency. Vedika is an all-rounder student. Excellent performer. Heartiest congratulations. The second rank holder of Standard 10th is Parth Prashant Revarkar with 97.40%. I request parents of Parth Revarkar to please come on the dais to receive the honor. It's a privilege for the parents because parents are the highest blessings in the world who are always been an inspiration and strength of a child. Great contribution of parents in the success of the award. Heartiest congratulations, Parth, and the parents as well. The next excellent performer and third topper of Standard 10th is Ms. Rujula Yogesh Deshpande with 96.40%. Clapping should go on continuously. It's very difficult to cross 95%. It's not just about what you accomplished in your life, it's about what you inspire others to do. Heartiest congratulations. Rujula, I request parents of Rujula to please come on the dais if they are present. It is the combined result of teachers, students and parents. A huge round of applause for all the teachers because they are training the students to appear for this standard 10th examination, board examination and getting the success. The next excellent performer also has secured 3rd rank in standard 10. He is Sukhat Sunil Tijare with 96.40%. I request parents of Sukhat Tijare to please come on the dais to receive the honor. And I request Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable President Ma'am and dignitaries to do the honors. Heartiest congratulations, Sukhat and the parents. The 4th rank holder of standard 10 is Prathamesh Bharat Ingre with 96.20%. I request parents of Prathamesh Ingre to please come on the dais to receive the honor. It's not easy to secure this highest percentage. It needs lots of hard work, dedication of the students. So request to the parents, please clap for all these achievers and excellent performers of standard 10th board examination. Heartiest congratulations, Prathamesh and the parents. The next excellent performer and 5th rank holder of standard 10th is Siddhi Santosh Izardar with 95.60%. I request parents of Siddhi Izardar to please come on the dais to receive the honor.
I request all the parents to please give a round of applause to respected Vice Principal Ma'am and her family members. Congratulations, Siddhi.
From standard 11. Now I'll declare the toppers. Before that, a huge round of applause for all these achievers of standard 10 and heartiest congratulations once again. Standard 11th, the toppers are Adesh Atul Shastri with 85.60%. Now these are the students who are there in standard 12 PSB English School, and all the very best to these students for standard 12 upcoming board examination. Heartiest congratulations, Adesh. The next topper is Venkatesh Baliram Shelar with 82.20%. Congratulations and all the very best for standard 12th exam. The next excellent performer of standard 11th is Rushabh Fuke with 64.60%. Heartiest congratulations to all these achievers of standard 11th. Now the school is still 12th standard CBSE. We have the students from standard 12, those who have secured good percentage and ranks in AISSE, that is All India Senior School Certificate Examination, and they are Om Amit Verma with 81.40%. These are the toppers of Standard 12 for the academic year 2023-24 of Standard 12. I request Om Verma and parents of Om Verma to please come on the dais to receive the honor. Congratulations, Om. Heartiest congratulations to all the achievers. The next is Astha Ganesh Rao Mundlek with 75.20%. The next is Shubham Punjab Mokase with 69%. If the students are present, please come on the dais to receive the honor. Thank you so much, parents. Sports play a vital role in the overall development of students. Builds your personality, teaches you good values, ethics, and different life skills. Now it's the time to announce the achievements of our students who have made all of us proud with their sports achievements. Ms. Rajnandini Mahesh Tawar from Standard 8 has participated in State DSO Fencing Championship and secured bronze medal. Heartiest congratulations, Rajnandini. We feel proud to announce that Master Sairaj Anil Deshmukh from Standard 8 won the medal in rifle shooting at CBSE zonal level in the year 2023-24 and participated at zonal level in 2024-25. This is the highest achievement as we are competing with the CBSE students at regional level. So huge round of applause for these sports person. The next is Miss Samruddhi Shivaji Thakur of Standard 9th has participated in rifle shooting at CBSE zonal level, at divisional level in the year 2024-25 and has performed very well. Excellent performance was there. So round of applause for these sports achievers. The next is Master Harsh Ganesh Khandwe of Standard 9th has won the bronze medal at CBSE South Zonal level in Taekwondo and participated in CBSE National Tournament at Uttarakhand. Great achievement of Harsh. Master Atharva Kiran Thakne of Standard 10th has won the medal at CBSE South Zonal level in boxing and participated in CBSE National Boxing Championship at Haryana. These are also the great achievements because these are the sports achievers who are competing with the CBSE participants at regional level. So once again, heartiest congratulations to all the achievers and all the special awardees. Thank you one and all